Today I'll be showing you step by step how to cut a clean mid-round fade on Afro hair. Make sure you watch till the end, so you don't miss the blending technique. Always make sure the hair is evenly picked out so your guidelines will come out clean. Preparation is very important for a smooth fade. Now I close my clipper lever completely, and I create a bald mid-guideline round the head. This will serve as my first guideline and the foundation of the fade. I open the lever fully and create my second guideline slightly above the bald line. I'm using a flicking motion so the blend will be easier later.
It's one straight video. It's one straight video.
No.
Maybe if you want to do it now, you just do it.
Next, I set my lever halfway and begin fading between the first and second guideline. I'm using light flick out strokes to remove the line gradually. Now I attach guard number 1, lever fully open, and I start blending the second guideline into the Afro hair above. I switch to guard number 2 to remove the heavy bulk around the fade area. This helps soften the transition into the top hair. I go back to guard number 1 and adjust my lever as needed, open, halfway, or close to smooth out any dark spots. I remove the guard, open my lever fully, and detail the fade. This step is where the fade really becomes clean. I set the lever halfway again and lightly trim any uneven areas to perfect the blend. Finally, I use my trimmer to line up the hairline. Shape the temples and clean the neckline. And that completes the mid-round fade. If you learned something from this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more barber tutorials. See you in the next video.